I recently had the opportunity to test the KitchenAid Classic plastic cutting board, and I must say I was thoroughly impressed with its quality and performance. This cutting board, in a sleek white-gray color, is a perfect addition to any kitchen setting. The dimensions of 13.98 L into 11.02 W into 0.59 C are ideal for various kitchen tasks, providing enough space for chopping, slicing, and dicing ingredients with ease. The use of durable plastic material ensures long-lasting durability, making it a reliable tool for everyday cooking. One notable feature of this cutting board is its non-slip design, which provides stability during food preparation, enhancing safety in the kitchen. The rectangular shape offers ample surface area for food prep activities, making it versatile for different types of cutting tasks. Keeping this cutting board clean is hassle-free, as it requires hand washing only. The lightweight design, weighing just 1.94 pounds, makes it easy to handle and store when